Little critter. Where's baby brother? Oh, there he is. Oh boy, oh boy.
Here, let me get out of the way.
No, you're not in the way.
He is so pretty. They both are such beautiful cats.
Yeah, little boy wants a drink. Oh boy, this is gonna be so hard to get him playing. Yep, he's under there. He's over there probably going into the bathroom to get some food. More than likely. Yep, we got food over there.
Yep. We gotta get him put up in about 10 minutes.
Yep. And there's little baby boy. You wanna play with that? Oh, here we go. Here comes your little boy. Oh, and we're looking.
Well, they're probably near worn out. They've been playing so hard all night.
I know, they've been playing like crazy.
Alright, that's enough for the bread.
We're playing here. And over here, we are just very relaxed. Right, little critter. Oh boy, oh boy. Oh boy, oh boy. Yep, we're doing pretty good.
Mystic, you are beautiful. You are so pretty. Gotta get their names changed on you.
Yeah, I need to get their name changed on the,
Pet chip site.
Yep.
The microchip site.
Hey there, little Smokey. Little baby. Oh, you want to look at this? Oh, priceless. Oh, we're going to go see what little brother's doing.
Little brother, they're brothers. They're fraternal twins.
Yep. Oh, how funny. Oh, there we go. There we go. Investigate the food.
Yeah, you better get some food because your time's just about up, buddy boy.